Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to report a message on the Discord app for PC after the new update. Whether you've come across spam, harassment, or something that breaks the rules, knowing how to report messages properly is an important part of keeping Discord a safe space for everyone. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready on the main screen. From here, go to the specific server or direct message chat where the message you want to report is located. Once you've opened that chat, look for the exact message that you need to report. When you hover your mouse pointer over the message, you'll notice some small icons appear on the right-hand side. One of these will be the three dots, which stand for more options. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Report Message. Click on it. This is where Discord will guide you through the reporting process. Now, follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Discord may ask you to confirm the reason for reporting, such as harassment, inappropriate content, spam, or other kinds of rule-breaking activity. Make sure you select the most accurate option that fits the situation. Accuracy here really matters because it helps the moderation team handle the case faster and more effectively. Once you've chosen the reason and confirmed, your report will be submitted directly to Discord's Trust and Safety team. They'll review the content and take the appropriate action. You won't always see what happens afterwards, but rest assured that Discord investigates these reports seriously. And that's it. You've just learned how to report a message on Discord's updated PC app. It's a quick process, but an important one for keeping conversations fair and respectful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep this feature in mind whenever you come across anything that breaks the community rules. Acting quickly and responsibly makes Discord a better place for everyone,